We often hear that someone start earning from Shopify. Sell your products with Shopify. But what is Shopify? In this video, we will explain you what is Shopify and how it works. Shopify is an online platform where you can set up your business and start selling from day one. You do not need to buy any domain for your business or hire expensive web developers for your website. Shopify simply provides you one window solution for all your online needs. Everything you require to start an e-commerce website, you will find it at Shopify. From setting up your website layout to payment method and checkout, even shipping your product too. Setting up an online website for your business with Shopify is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's start by visiting Shopify.com. Its services are as low as $1 per month. But it also offers a free trial in which you can set up your business. If you like the services, you can continue by paying only $1 per month. Let's start a free trial for now. Pick up your options, why you need Shopify. Or simply click on I'm not sure if you are confused. Set up your store name. It could be any name, your existing store name or a proposed name for your business. Choose your location, where you want to start your business, your country or any other country you like. Sign up with your existing social media account or create a new account with your email ID. And there you go, it will start setting up your online store. On the main page or dashboard you can see the different options. Set up your own product or you can set up the drop shipping option. We have already explained the drop shipping in detail in our previous videos. You can add the logo of your business. Choose a theme color. A slogan of your business. And also add the social media links of your business. Then you can choose the theme of your website or online store. Add your own domain name or change the store name. Add the payment method, PayPal or credit card. And even you can check your online store by placing a test orders. In short, Shopify is a one-stop solution for your e-commerce business, whether you are trying to go online with your existing business or start a new business online. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.